Hello, happy Friday. Sabra Starnes, clinical social worker and play therapy trainer. I'm on here just to give you a last chance, a last invite to invite you to the training this Sunday on September 8th. We'll be talking about cultural humility and using it in the playroom. So it's from play to practice using cultural humility in the playroom. This is for therapists who are going through to become registered play therapists. This is therapists who want to learn more about cultural humility, about how to show up in the playroom when clients are using art, sand tray, dollhouse, just how to be in the room and really making sure we lean into our clients' intersectionality. This will also be a training that can be approved for if you are a Maryland or DC social worker and you're needing to get your anti-oppressive hours. That will count for that. The trainings will be approved for NBCC CEUs and ASWB CEUs, as well as play therapy. It's September 8th, this Sunday, from 1:30 to 4:45 live. There won't be a recording, so you'll want to make sure to sign up. I'm going to put the information in the comments right now so that you can share this with someone who would like to come, and I will look forward to seeing you on Sunday. All right, play well. Bye.